So I'm going to start with my G, and then I'm going to pop with my 2 finger to play the G sharp. Did you see how my 2 finger popped up and over? And now it wants me to play my 1 finger. Look down where your 1 finger is. After you pop, my 1 finger is just sitting there on an A. Okay, let's try this again with these tricky fingerings. Let's try it. We're going to start with our G on our thumb, and then we're going to pop to our 2 for the G sharp. And now my 1 is on an A, so I'm going to play my A, and then I'm going to baby step down to play my G with my 2 finger. That's tricky. That's another great spot that you might want to just practice just those 2 measures. Do you want to try that one more time with me? Or you can even pause and do it a few more times, but let's do it at least one more time together. You ready? G sharp with your 2 finger, and then an A with your 1, and then baby step down to a G with your 2 finger.